wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So not too long ago I did a nighttime shower routine, and in that video I mentioned that I don't do my face while I'm in the shower just because I like really hot showers. Now I know you're not really supposed to do that, but I know enough to not put that hot water on my face while I'm in the shower. So that's why I do it separately. So I am doing a separate get unready with me, like how I remove my makeup type video to show you guys the process. And before anyone says anything, I'm working on it. I'm working on not taking such hot showers, but we're not there yet, okay? And tonight we're doing the more simple skincare routine because I got time today for like the 12-step routine. I actually haven't had time for a good little minute because like no one wants to come home at like 2 o'clock in the morning. You just want to go to sleep, but you know you have to take your makeup off, and now you gotta do like a 15-step routine. But the more simple routine has still been working for me because I tell you all the time, I know my skincare is working for me when I start getting comments from y'all like, okay, the skin is skinning. Okay, I need a tutorial, I need a video on what you've been doing. So that is what I'm going to do. I've got a couple favorites from Elements to show you guys in this video because today's video is sponsored by them, and then the rest of them I don't believe is new to y'all, but it's part of the process I'm going to show you. So if you guys want to see all that, then let's go. So the first thing I've got here is the Elements Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. I'm going to go in with this before cleanser to remove my makeup, especially today, because I don't know if you can still see it, but I did a lip swatching video on lip stains and they stained. Okay, I need this to go away. Mine is like 4 different colors on my lips right now, but go in with a cleansing balm to remove that. They do have a little towel-ish thing that comes with it to use to help you remove this, but I just use my hands on that. But you know, it would be fancy for today. Go ahead and help take this off as well, because especially with me, like y'all know I got oily skin, like the last thing I want to do is not fully remove my makeup. So this is what it looks like. Just get that nice and even, and then just go in on my face. And then for actual cleanser, this is Elements' Superfood Facial Wash. I don't remember where I heard this, but ever since I did, I have stayed true to gel cleansers. I just said they're better for people who have oily skin. And listen, I'm gonna stick beside it, okay? So this one, like, I feel like, you know how you have the green juices, smoothies, stuff like that, like to make you feel better for the inside? I feel like you're doing that, but on your face when you're using this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead, lather up a little bit. And you see why people do the cleansing balm and then like cleanse it, because it feels like your face is already washed, but it's not. Okay, so we gotta get back in there. It even smells like those juices too. Oh, and I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I tend to avoid my eyebrows with these products because you guys know they are microbladed, so I don't like putting products on top of them. I just let the product run through them when I'm washing it off so that I can get like brow product off my face as well. Because you know, for the amount that you pay for these, you gotta make them last. And look at that, skin is just giving it's clean. Okay, next up is toner. This is the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. I'm just going to dab some of that on. I know y'all are tired of seeing this product in my skincare videos, but listen, if it's not broke, don't fix it. This is the essence that I use. It's from Fresh. It's their black tea kombucha. And I think it was y'all that told me essences are better off like placed in your hand and then patted onto your face so that I can like really penetrate the skin. So rub that up a bit. Got a little serum. This is from First Aid Beauty. It's their Facial Radiance Dark Spot Serum. And again, learned to dump these products out into my hands from y'all. Also from First Aid, it's their Ultra Repair Cream. Use that as moisturizer. And then we're gonna seal that all in with the Elemis Superfood Facial Oil. Child, now I can't open it, my hands are slippery from all the products. Just blend that in. This also smells good. Well, it smells like the cleanser, which smell like the juices. And the last thing I have here is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. You know, gotta hydrate your lips overnight, especially after a lip swatch video. And yeah, that is it for my routine. If I wasn't filming this video, this would have taken, I don't know, 10 minutes max, as opposed to having 10 products you have to put on your face. If you want to make it even more simple, you can pick between the moisturizer or the oil. I would say the oil, just because oil on your face and your body, and then you go to sleep and wake up the next day, I'm telling y'all, it's chef's kiss. And I like how this oil doesn't leave like a greasy feel. Like I don't look like I just left the gym or anything like that. So that is it. I hope, you know, this helped. If you were wondering what I've been doing lately, if you've been looking for, you know, a little bit simpler of a routine, I do have a code, which I will leave here on the screen. Everything I use will be linked in the description down below. Again, thank you to Elemis for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, let me know, like, if you've stepped it up with your skincare, if you stepped it down, like drew it back a little bit. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.